Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sinetemba Zondi. So in today's video you are cooking with me. So today what are we going to cook? We're going to cook our green I don't know what to call this, but it's like a spinach, but it's not actually a spinach. It's what to call it in English? It's a butternut leaves. I can put it that way, but in Pino in Tanga. And then we're gonna add our mushrooms. You're gonna need your sweet potato, your sweet onions, and then you're gonna need your 2 cloves of garlic, your chopping board, and your knife. We're gonna be making also our maize meal. So guys, keep on watching. Or before I start chopping, guys, as you can see, I've rinsed these leaves twice, and then as you can see, I've soaked it into salt water. Guys, keep on watching while I'm chopping. Now we are adding our maize meal. And then you close your pot just for 5 minutes, and then you come back and you chop your maize meal as usual. That's how I cook my maize meal. That's gonna make it soft and fluffy. If you want your maize meal to be soft and fluffy, before you start shove it, just close the pot just for 5 minutes, then the magic will happen. And then let's carry on with our chopping. We are done chopping everything. Yo, it's hard work. It's your sweet onion or onions and our spinach and our infino yentanga. Yeah guys, it's hard work. It's really hard work cooking this type of leaves, but because we are Africans, we love our African food. The hard work, it's worth it. So yeah, now guys, I'm gonna start cooking. So firstly, I'm gonna boil this a little bit, just like 2 minutes, 2 or 1 minute. Then I'm gonna start frying everything. Now guys, see you at the end of this video. I'm gonna show you the final result of this African food. And we are also busy here with our maize meal. In Africa we call it, in South Africa we call it uputu. So yeah, and then in this pot I'm gonna put in my spinach or infino yentanga just for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna start frying it. So guys, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more coming videos, and hit that notification bell and smash it. Smash that notification bell, smash it. Okay guys, before I start frying my spinach or whatever we call it this, it's infino yentanga. So before, whether it's a spinach or whatever, I start dip it into boiling water and let it sit for like 2 minutes. When you are done boiling it a little bit, and then you're gonna strain it, and then you're gonna start frying it. So that's how I cook my spinach or whatever you call. This is infino yentanga. And then on the other side, our putu is ready, which is maize meal. This is African food. If you don't know, you know what it is. This is African food. yeah, guys, I can't wait to show you the final result of this amazing food. This food is so amazing.